Hi, today we're going to make some potato soup. The first thing we're going to want to do is wash off potatoes. You're going to need about 5 if you're using this type. They're all kind of a medium size, so 5 will be enough. After you've got your potatoes washed off, you can go ahead and peel them. You're going to want to make sure to get all the skin off. Once you got the potatoes peeled off, you're going to go ahead and cut them into about 1-inch cubes, I guess. Make sure and be careful while you're cutting to keep your fingers out of the way and everything. You cut them in half first and then along like this. Once you have your potatoes cut up, you're going to want to put them into a pot and cover them with water just so it kind of comes up to the level. You're going to add your chicken soup base or whatever it is you're using. Careful if you're using anything with turmeric powder because that will stain your clothes. So for the recipe we're adding some sauteed onions. This is totally a preference thing. You don't have to if that's not something you want to do. If you do choose to do that, you're going to want to take off this whole outer layer. So for the onion, you're going to want to cut half of it. Make sure to just kind of find a good place. Part I'm going to cut here along the root. You're going to want to try to keep this root part intact as much as possible, so that just helps keep all the pieces together while you're cutting it. You're going to take this and cut in not all the way to the root, but just enough so you can get a nice all the way through there. Do that a couple times. After you do that, you're going to take the knife and cut in just once through the center, hopefully. And that's going to help when you're cutting this way. Cool, that should be plenty. So for our sauteed onions, we're going to start. I have the pan heated up and we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil or whatever you have. You're going to want to keep stirring these for about 5 or so minutes until they're all soft and pretty clear. So we're going to go ahead and boil our water with the potatoes in it. It'll probably take about 10 to 12 minutes. So we will check on that while we go along. Alright, we're going to add in our onions once they're done. The potatoes are still cooking. While we're waiting for our potatoes to boil, we're going to work on this part. We're going to add 1 can of cold evaporated milk with our 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're going to make sure that the evaporated milk has been refrigerated when you add it. It'll help when you're mixing it together. Once your potatoes are finished cooking, you're going to go ahead and add the mixture of cornstarch and evaporated milk. And then you're going to mix that in. If you want, you can add some butter to your soup. And then mix that in, and you should be ready to serve. Alright, so once you got it all together, you can go ahead and add whatever toppings you like to your soup. You can do sour cream or whatever you like. That is that. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.